Introducing Handset Alpha by PERI. Experience a whole new dimension of formwork versatility that reduces costs and turnaround time on your projects and delivers more flexibility and better handling. With our cost-effective multi-purpose Handset Alpha solution, which is available in 3 panel heights and widths, you get maximum versatility to configure modular panels to shutter foundations, walls, columns, and beam sides as required.
So with our new PERI HANDSET Alpha system, it allows the clients to create foundations where the project starts and form columns, and it does walls and obviously beam sides. So it's one system that does 4 separate jobs. So the PERI HANDSET Alpha offers the time-saving factor for the client, which is a big issue for them because if they spend more time on site, they spend more money. With the system being so versatile, it's quick to assemble, especially for our labor force on site. With our designs showing the guys how to do it, they can erect the morning, pour the afternoon, strip the next day and re-erect. And that is a big time saver for our clients. 20-30% saving on their bottom line, which is a good thing for them as a client because that is what they want to see in renting or purchasing the HANDSET Alpha, and that is what we offer as PERI.
The system's lightweight, robust design and its unique panel connections allow for high concrete pressure, making Handset Alpha suitable for projects nationwide. Meanwhile, the Handset Alpha system is quick to assemble and needs only 2 workers to erect and carry, which in turn delivers substantial financial and productivity advantages. In addition, the smart panel design reduces cleaning time and labor costs through its patented taper stiffener that enables concrete to slide off rather than stick. Handset Alpha also contributes to improved safety on site. The intuitive modular system requires minimal training and tools for assembly. Erection is made simple with integrated brace connectors on panels of all sizes, and handling is safer on account of integrated handles, while the lighter weight of the panels results in lower labor fatigue, and raised concreting platforms reduce the risk of spills and accidents. And finally, fewer materials on site makes for a neater and cleaner site. At PERI, we're committed to delivering outstanding tailored solutions and personalized service for your project, delivered by our team of design experts, product specialists, and technical advisors.
As PERI, we offer technical advisors to assist our clients, especially with the designs. We've got design office teams in each of the provinces which design tailor-made solutions to the customer. The drawing obviously gives the customer peace of mind, and especially for the customer safety file, which is very key. We do customer visits on a weekly basis, sometimes on a daily basis, and help our customers with erection on site, with on-site training, which is a big benefit to the customer because the quicker they can erect and assemble our product, the quicker they can pour concrete, which means money in the bank.
Visit our website today to learn more about how PERI's Handset Alpha solution can accelerate your productivity, save you valuable time, and reduce costs on your next project. PERI, making construction more efficient, faster, and safer.